Alright guys, here we go. One more day. Go to pattern focus and find today's pattern. Mila is the next one. Nobody's done a video. Click on there. Alright, so it looks like it's going to start out sort of cadent-like, I guess. It's gonna start out with a row of circles. Row of circles. Step number 2, from near the top of the circle to over here, we're going to do like a S kind of a shape, right? Ooh, do, like that. Then there's going to be a little gap in here. We're going to connect that gap with a little arch. And then it looks like we're going to make that shape again. This curve. And then once again, connect it with a little arch and do the curve again until it's however big we want it to be. And then it looks like we go on the other side with an arch here. And then some arches like that. Sort of petal-like, but not quite. So it builds bigger on this side than it does on this side. And your little pearls don't have to be quite in a row. That's good to know. That's interesting. Okay, so let's just do that. Turn on my light. And I'm going to make sure I have a little bit of a border so I don't get too close to the edge. I probably won't use it, but you never know. You never know. And let's start our pearls kind of here, like that, so that I have a little bit more room on this side than I do on this side to build those little petal shapes. Okay, so start here, and I'm going to make one here, and here, and there, and maybe one there. You guys see that? Okay. And then it looks like I do like that. For the first one. Something like that. And then in this little gap, I make this little arch. What about down here? Does it get a little arch down there? No, but I think it should. Okay, and then here. That. And another little arch. And another petal. And I'm going to go for another arch. And another petal. I think I'm going to do it one more time. Like that. And then coming this way, you just go more streamline. like that. Excuse me. More like that. I think so. Oh, that arch starts up higher. Okay, I didn't do that quite right. Let's try that again. It's supposed to start up here. Let's do one more. More like that. Okay, so it's similar, but it's different on each side. That's really interesting. I like that. Okay, so now I'm going to erase any guidelines I have because I don't need them, and I didn't use the border, which I didn't think I would, but you never know. And then we'll just do a little bit of shading and be done. This is called Mila. Okay. And while I'm shading, I'll answer a question. Ever won a contest? No. I don't think so. I think I'd remember. Have you ever had plastic surgery? No, absolutely not. Which are better, black or green olives? Neither. Well, those were easy questions to go through. Okay, another one written by a 12-year-old here. Oh, I haven't gotten that far yet. Can you knit or crochet? I can crochet, barely. I have crocheted. I have a hard time understanding crochet patterns. That whole reading of the pattern is beyond me. But if somebody shows me a basic, you know, you're gonna go this many, you know, single crochet 3 times and then double crochet twice and then single crochet 3 times. I could do that, but I have no idea how to like actually read the crochet patterns. They baffle me. Trying to decide how I want to shade this. I think I want to do on the side of them. Like that. So much going on today. All right, another question. Best room for a fireplace. Don't you think any room is a good room for a fireplace? The best room for a fireplace is whatever room you are in. That's the best room for a fireplace. Love them. In our house, we have one, and it's in the family room, or den, I guess. Some people would call it a den. It's not the formal living room, although it would be nice to have had one in the formal living room, but that's not where it is. It's in the family space. I've been watching a lot of decorating shows that are based out of the UK or out of Ireland. I don't think you can have a home in the UK or Ireland that doesn't have a fire of some sort or another. And quite often they're in the kitchen. That would be cool. They're either in the kitchen, or they're in the parlor, or they're in the front room, or they're in every single bedroom. You know, before central heating was available, and with those lovely stone homes with no insulation, darn things were cold. So like every room that could have a fireplace has one. I think that's cool. I'd love one. I have an electric one in my bedroom. So it's not a real fireplace, but you know what? On those frosty winter evenings, we don't get that cold here in Southern California, but we get cool enough to turn on the fire and have some ambiance. Makes it nice and cozy, doesn't it? See, look what a little bit of shading does to this pattern. That's awesome. Okay, so I think this is done. I'll leave it just like that. I will see you guys tomorrow. We have one more pattern for this week, and then I can clean up all my stuff, get ready for visitors, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.